Shengmilo Electric Vehicle Industry Company Limited, Foshan City, Guangdong Province, is an enterprise specializing in high-end electric bicycles. MX-20 is a long-lasting multi-function high-end folding electric bicycle. Pure electric mode, electric assist mode, bicycle mode free switching. MX-20 suitable for a variety of roads, urban roads, mountain roads, snow roads, beaches. Front shock absorption double disc brakes for your riding safety escort. 7-speed Shengmilo shifting system. Riding control is more powerful. 48 volts, 500 watts high-power brushless copper motor. Powerful. With multi-function LCD display, 5-speed power-assisted gear, Chaoyang 4.0 beach tire, low resistance, wheel resistant anti-skid characteristics. The headlights are paired with LED headlights. Not afraid of the night. Riding freely, equipped with a loader that can carry 120 kilograms. Shengmilo leather seats with LED taillights. Ingenuity, carefully designed for every detail. Electric control horn, riding safer. The aluminum alloy folding frame is more convenient to store, and it can be placed in the rear trunk of the car after folding. Commuting, weekend trips, add fun to your ride. Preferred Shengmilo brand.